Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we are going to talk about primary and secondary colors. Now when we are talking about colors, we have to look back to what is called the color theory. Now in this theory, it will explain how the colors work. And now it will branch off into two sections where one deals with art pigmentation paint, which is called subtractive, and the other one is additive. This is more of science-based, how your eyes see colors and perceive it in the photoreceptors, neurophotoreceptors that they have specifically in cones. Now, for subtractive is the one that we use in art to make pictures, to paint and so on. Now, in subtractive, the way it works is that the principle of subtractive theory is that you begin with a white light. And as we know, white light consists of many wavelengths that could consist of many colors. Now, if this is a flashlight and we are looking at a picture, there we go. Now, usually what happens is that when the flashlight hit a surface, which is light, which does not observe anything, then it would bounce back. It reflects it to your eyes and you see white. Now, but what happens when you stare at this individual's hair? Is green. So what happens is that white light hits this pigment, this part, it absorbs everything, every wavelength except for green, which bounces off. Now this green goes back to your and eyes and you see green. Now from this part we're talking about white light, this is basically subtractive. Color theory. Now what happens after here is additive. Because now we don't have the white light. We only have green light that is coming in. So these are being added in. Now let's not go into more additive. Let's stick with subtractive, the one that we are going to talk. Now, in subtractive, we have three colors, which are primary, where you can't make them. So, red, yellow, blue. If you want to be technical about it, yes, you can. So, magenta, yellow, and cyan. And this is yellow. Okay. So, our primary colors are yellow, blue, and red. Now, whatever combination we give to these will result in a color. It's a composite color that we get from the combination. So let's make combinations from these colors, and I'm not going to repeat them. Okay, so you will basically get three. So if I get yellow plus blue, I get a secondary color. Let's make another one, yellow plus red. I get another secondary color. And the only combination of colors which is left is the blue and red one. Blue plus red. And whatever color you get from this combination. Now again, remember, whatever you get from here, these are your secondary colors where you just made them. Now to compare it to the primary, secondary you can make them, primary you can't. So we could do this very simple by doing a very simple demonstration. So we have yellow over here and blue. So these are food colors, food coloring. And what I have over here is kind of a test use. It has a little bit of water. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 droplet of yellow and 1 droplet of blue. So whatever we get from this is our secondary color from this combination. So if I were to put the cork back on top of it and give it a shake, I should see green. Okay, wonderful. So this is green. So our first one is green. Okay. Now let's do the other ones. So what I have over is yellow, and now red. Okay. Again, we're doing the same thing again. So I'm going to add 1 droplet of yellow and 1 droplet of red. So let's put the cork back on top and give it a little bit shake. You don't have to give it that much. So the color you should see is orange. So if you look at the light, I'm not sure if you can, probably you can. What I see from a refractive side hitting the paper and coming to my eyes is orange. And the color seems to be orange too. Now the third one is, the third combination is blue and red. So let's add 1 droplet of blue and 1 droplet of red. So let's put the cork back on again. Give it a small shake to it. You don't have to give it that much. Okay. Let's keep the cap on it. Okay. So what you should see is purple. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can really see it. It's kind of dark purple. So in a second I will show it to you in more detail. So this is orange, the secondary color, and purple. So just to prove they are what they are, I'm going to take this and I'm going to stamp it over here. Okay. I'm going to give you 2. There we go. I'm going to take this one to stamp it here. Let's do 2. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to stamp it here. So from all these, what you should see are green, orange, and purple. So this is 1 secondary, second secondary, and third secondary. So you have 3 colors which relate to secondary colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.